Guys, it's Mia, and we're gonna be playing Insono E3. So yeah, so technically this game I played it before. I haven't beat it yet because I wanted to say that for the video when I was recording. Yeah. So what? There we go. Okay. So let's just work on. Okay. Well, I can't move my mouse for some reason. Okay, so this game does contain flashing lights. So if you can't handle that, please leave. Okay, so I cannot see why not. Okay, so apparently, okay, so what you do is you see that door right there, right? So you keep knocking on it. It's just gonna reset the time. So we don't have a lot of time right now. So yeah. So we just gotta wait, and then things will happen. So he needs to stop knocking. Oh yeah, also I'm here with my cousin Natalie. She cannot play at the moment, but say hi.
Hello.
So yeah. Wait. So literally, okay, so this is actually kind of like a horror game. Even though it's not really, I mean, it's not that scary for me, but yeah. So, hold on, I'm in the ground. Oh, I know, Scratch. She plays it like all the time. So technically, we're all in Stray Jackets. What the hell? Oh, we're having a blackout. Okay, so if you keep knocking on the door, this is what's gonna happen. So, yeah. So the first thing that will happen is if you look up at the roof, see, it's like it doesn't really have anything on it, but
What's a
sooner,
blackout?
sooner or later, it's like when you pass out, but sooner or later, there's gonna be a whole bunch of black stuff dripping down the walls. So yeah. See, the corners have already gotten dark. So yeah. Okay. So I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? Okay, there. That took so long. So
I am eating chocolate, white chocolate chips.
okay. So anyway. Oh, this is gonna take literally so freaking.
It's gonna take 2 million years. No, actually, it's gonna take infinity years. Yeah, totally. You're gonna get sucked in by the black stuff.
Wait, what? She's crazy.
Mm. He's a granny.
You need to stop knocking, bro. Okay, hold on. So I'm about to actually tell everybody that I'm making a YouTube video. So yeah, just saying. Okay. So this is actually kind of boring, but like still.
Yeah. Someone who said what?
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. We'll be back.